All right, everybody. We're going to, first of all, thank you to our men and women who served in the military. This is one of my son's customers' trucks. She has some stuff going on, so he's babysitting the truck. And as you can hear the dog in the background, we're babysitting the dog. But today's video's not polishing. It's going to be some dude video about keeping the wifey happy or the girlfriend, and I can get away with this because I looked at the analytics and 100% bros are checking out the videos. So we're going to talk a little girls and then we're going to show you some good stuff at the end. So bear with me. It's going to be a little bit of a longer one. But first of all, we do a two-step process, which is Chemex. I don't know if you can see that. Already got the water in it. That's the stars. That goes on first. This is the stripes. And what you want to do is when you go to put the chemical in it, just put about a thumbnail, I guess, in it, and the rest water. But don't get the water on you. It definitely will burn you. So we don't want that. But this is a two-step process. Stars and stripes. Then we got some snake oil to put on it. And I'm only going to do the one side. I'm not going to bore you with the whole truck. We're going to have another video on detailing the inside, but that'll be for a later date. But so back to the ladies. So guys, we're dudes. We fix things. Door hinges fall off. We fix it. Flat tire, building stuff, barbecuing, smoking steaks. We're different. We're dudes. We're like visual people. Guys are, right? Women are thinkers. So sometimes we have to, everything's a compromise. We got to, compromise this, compromise that. But hey, the reason why your old lady loves you is because you fix stuff. You help her out, help her with the kids. If you're a young dude, you got a girlfriend, hey, treat her right, man. Take her out to eat. Valentine's Day is coming up. Blah, blah, blah. She got a car. There you go. This channel is based on me purchasing and buying products, polishing, washing, whatever, and to show you guys what works and what doesn't work. That way you don't have to waste your money like I did finding stuff that works and blah, 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 and all that good stuff. And I got links in the description, obviously. But today, let's just get jiggy with a little wash here, and we'll say what you think at the end. Let's fire up the power washer and piss off the dogs. Gotta love this 3,500 PSI power washer. Good old Costco. Gotta love it. Now, normally, if it's really crunchy or crappy or it's just kind of dirty, but you can always just give it a little pre-wash, pre-rinse, I guess I should say. It's really not that bad, though. It's pretty simple stuff. My water's acting crazy. You know what's funny about making these videos? Before you hit record, you check all this out and make sure everything works, and it never does. Go figure. There we go. Maybe. Come on, baby, give it to me. Like I said, this thing it's pretty simple, so it's not dirty, it's not greasy. If it's that bad, we'd get some degreaser, which Chemex sells. Another thing too, and this is for you guys that have never used these before, these foam cannons. So all the way to the left, if I got that right, that's water only. I turn it all the way to the right, crack it back, that's soap. Obviously you got your foam spray thing here. This goes in the power washer and we should be good to go. Here we go. Maybe. Come on, water. And just get it on there. This stuff doesn't like the sun, doesn't like the heat, nothing like that. Get in a good old wheel well. Just basically cover it up. And there you go. I like it to sit for a couple minutes, but since we're in the sun, I don't have a shop. So when I'm washing my big truck or trailer or something like that, you want to get up real early in this Arizona heat because it does not like the heat. That's for sure. Get that about right there and wait a couple more seconds. It's really simple though, man. I'm glad I found Chemex because trying to wash a 53-foot reefer, a trailer, and the truck, oh my God, it's like an all day thing, man. And this stuff here just makes it simple. Bada bing, bada boom. Kind of like that power washer. Keeps on popping off. And that's that. Then what we do is you can see all the grime coming off the tires and all that good stuff. Now with the touchless wash, this will get you about 90% there, right? So you always want to start from the bottom up. That way you can kind of watch your lines as you go up. Now with the snake oil, that's like a hydrophobic ceramic seal deal. You can spray that on, and I'll show you that in a second too, but we'll get the hose in this thing off. Pretty simple stuff, man. I love it myself. I don't know if you guys drive trucks. You go to the street to Beacon and you got polished aluminum like I do. Man, it just blows the crap out of it. And you got to take it back and polish it. And who wants to do all that? It's a lot of work, you know. Especially if you're paying for it. I think a truck and a trailer wash now is about $120, so see how nice and easy that is? Man, I love this stuff. Don't tell Bob though. Bob's great, he has great content. He came up with all this stuff, so I gotta love that. It's a really nice truck. It's a great color. It was really dirty. A lot of that Arizona dust. Boom. I think I can do my truck, my semi truck, and my trailer in about an hour and a half. It takes a little time, but This thing did work before I started recording. So this is the snake oil. Same principle. You put a little bit less, a little bit more. It depends on how dirty it is. If it's really grimy and nasty, put 2 thumbnails in your cannon and then the rest water. Make sure you have gloves on though, because if you don't, that stuff, once the liquid hits the water, it activates it. So, oop, that's a bad spray right there. There we go. Now this stuff is like, basically how to describe it would be Rain-X on steroids. Foam goes on good. Would you stop doing that? Come on, bro. Just like that. We'll just throw crap out. We got a lot of this stuff. So on a vehicle like this, you're not even going to use. I mean, on my trailer, I use 2 full foam cannons plus 1 of snake oil. So, and you'll get to see the stuff do its magic here. It's pretty cool. There's a lot of guys that do different stuff. I just like simple stuff that works. Once you find something, you hate to lose it, you know. I think if you go to chemex.com right now, he's giving away about $1,000 worth of stuff. February 18th, I think it was, it said. You know me, I'm all about free. I tried to enter. And if you're just doing the wife's car, your pickup truck, or whatever it is, that water just runs right off of there. That's pretty sweet. But if you're just doing your car, pickup truck, quad, boat, whatever you got, you're a gallon of each. I think he's got specials on the 2 foam cannons with the stars and stripes. I think the snake oil is 100 and something a gallon or whatever. But man, if you're just doing regular stuff, not like big stuff like I got, like my truck and everything, I'll last you forever. I love how that stuff just beads off of it. That's awesome. Same with plug. Good job, Bob. There you go. That's pretty cool. So anyway, that's how you do it, 2-step process. So let me know in the description if you guys are washing, man. And by the way, I don't get paid anything from Bob for this. It's just he's got good products, and I'm all about that, man. So save yourself the hassle. Thanks for watching, man. Later.